Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Have you ever wondered how an AI can read a massive novel in seconds or write a coherent poem in the blink of an eye? It's not actually reading words the way you and I do. To an AI, your text doesn't look like language at all. It looks like a sequence of numbers. In the next 5 minutes, you're going to understand exactly what tokens are, the fundamental building blocks of modern AI, and why they are the reason models like ChatGPT are so incredibly fast, yet sometimes get simple spellings wrong. First, the definition. Think of a token as the atomic unit of text for an AI. While we see sentences, the AI sees a stream of these tokens. A token isn't always a full word. It can be a single letter, a part of a word, or even just a space or a piece of punctuation. So, how it works. When you type a message to an AI, it goes through a process called tokenization. Step 1. The AI takes your sentence and slices it. Common words like the or apple might be one token. Step 2. Complex or rare words are broken into smaller chunks. For example, the word tokenization might be sliced into token, is, and ation. Step 3. Each of these slices is assigned a specific ID number from a massive digital dictionary. The AI then thinks entirely in these numbers. The analogy. Imagine a box of Legos. If you want to build a house, you don't just have one house piece. You have bricks, windows, and roof tiles. Tokens are those bricks. By combining these small, versatile pieces in different ways, the AI can build any structure of language it needs, where you see it. If you've ever used an AI and noticed it struggling with a rhyme or counting the letters in a word, that's the token system at work. Because the AI sees the word apple as one single token, number 17060 for instance, it doesn't naturally see the individual letters APPLE unless it looks really closely. The common misconception. The biggest mistake people make is thinking that one token equals one word. In reality, tokens are usually shorter than words. A helpful rule of thumb for beginners is that 1,000 tokens is roughly equivalent to 750 words. This is why AI companies talk about token limits instead of word counts. It's about how many bricks the AI can hold in its memory at one time. So, to recap, tokens are how AI breaks down our complex language into manageable numbered chunks. They are the bridge between human words and machine math. Understanding tokens is the first step to truly understanding how these digital brains think. Now that you know how AI reads, how does it decide what to say back? In our next episode, we're diving into context windows, how AI remembers what you said 10 minutes ago. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family.